Hey guys, Moss50 here, coming in with another quick unboxing video for you guys. Sorry if I'm not speaking too clearly, but I've got a cold, so yeah, I prefer not to talk too much, but whatever. Anyway, so there's the front, back. I was gonna get this on Blu-ray, but I couldn't find it in Asda, so I just picked up the standard version. Seen the others, and I find them thought I'd pick it up. One second. Okay. Oh no, yeah, just the DVD. Keep saying, so yeah, that's DVD. If unboxing of Wrong Turn 4, so next unboxing will probably be one 3DD or 3DD. So that's pretty much it. Moss50 signing out.